How to create a Snapchat account in PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Snapchat account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is just open up a web browser and search for Snapchat Sign Up. So search for Snapchat Sign Up and you will see a website that says accounts.snapchat.com. Open that up, and after you open that up you will see an option to sign up for Snapchat. So I'll just type my details here. You should be able to do that as well. So just type in your emails, your date of birth, choose a username and enter a secure password. So just choose a really strong password. I'll do that too. And after doing that, tap on agree and continue. Now you might get a problem in the username, so make sure that you can get besides it. And now choose a email address, and after you do that you should be able to I'll just choose this one right here, tap on next. Now you will get a confirmation code in your Gmail address, so I'll just open up my Gmail address. So yeah, just after that choose the verification code. I'll just copy this, head over to Snapchat and paste it. After doing that, tap on next. Now the second step is over. Now the third step, you will just have to wait. As you can see, the website's version of Snapchat is getting updated, so just wait while this is over. And while this happens, if you guys are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now as you can see, you can now just wait for it, as it says right here. Now they have just started welcoming us. Now you can add new friends here, enable notifications if you want to, and with that you have just created a Snapchat account using your your PC. So yeah, that's basically it. That is how you can create a Snapchat account on your PC, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.